Hello my gorgeous glam style family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm so excited to be sharing with you how I'm going to be decorating my coffee station for this Easter Spring 2022. So without further ado, here it goes, a very Easter Spring coffee station decor, a glam style. Here's all the little accessories and things that I'm going to be using. For example, these containers that I got on Hobby Lobby, I just painted the top white. This other container that I got for my coffee, I got it at Home Goods for $7.99. I also have this gorgeous bunny that reminds me a lot of my cat. She is such a beauty and she's one of my favorite decor pieces. And then I also have this other little container that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I just added those 3 little branches just to add that touch of nature and bring some spring vibes. And then over here I have this pink sign that I got at the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. Over here I have this beautiful napkin holder that I got at Ross for $3.99, and this napkins that I got at the 99-cent store. I also have this silver vase or candle holder that you guys seen me use before, and over here is where I have my chocolate abuelita. And then over here I have this silver egg, looks kind of like a mirror. I have an idea, I don't know which one I'm gonna be using, if the egg or the little sign. And then of course I have my dome for the cookies and this candle holder. And then on this side I only have these 2 coffee mugs just because I couldn't find any that I really liked this year, so I'm going to be reusing the ones from last year. And then right here I have my gorgeous coffee spoons full of those little diamonds. They're so sparkly. I got those at Burlington last Christmas, I believe. And I also have this cute bunny spoon rest that I got at the 99-cent store. And then last but not least, here's all the yummy snacks that I'm going to be using for my coffee station. I've got the sugar cookies from Walmart. I actually wanted lilac ones, but I couldn't find any, so I settled for the pink ones. Here's some seasonal candy, this Kisses, Reese's Pieces, M&Ms, and of course the traditional Peeps. I got some pink ones and some purple ones. And that's all I'm going to be using for my coffee station. As you can see, it's not much, but sometimes less is more. So now that I've shown you everything, it's time to start setting up our coffee station. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and got inspired to decorate your very own coffee station for this Easter Spring 2022. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.